Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you the most useful and essential tools in After Effects CC. So let's get started. So there are most of tools in After Effects, but some of them very helpful and essential in After Effects. So I will show you three tools which can help you with your most work in After Effects. So let's start with the first tool, which is very basic but very useful in After Effects. So the tool name is Tape Tool. I know most of you recognize this tool, but it is very useful. So I have to tell you about this tool in this video. So you can type the tool, type anything with this tool and animate it and align it, whatever you want. So I don't talk much about it because it makes our video long. So I just tell you about this tool. So now moving on, our next tool is which is camera. Camera is a very useful and the most powerful tool in After Effects. So to make camera effect, you have to right click on this, right click on the timeline and click on hover over new and go to camera. And After Effects give you an opportunity to choose from different presets of camera lenses, which is 35mm, 50mm, any camera you want. In my opinion, the 35mm camera is very useful in most of the cases. I use this camera lens in my Scribble logo animation. If you recognize that video, I'll link this video above on the card. You can see this. As you can see, I name your camera. I name it camera, and the preset is 35mm. So just click OK, and you have to click OK on this warning. And now you can rotate your video footage, but you have to make it 3D. This is suitable for 3D and 2D animation. As you can see, you have to just click on the camera layer and click on C. As you can see, it is moving on 3D. And yes, you can see you can move your footage in or object in any direction you want, or zoom it. You just have to click C for different types of animation. And as you can see, you can move it with this tool and zoom it or zoom out with this tool. There are a bunch of different options in camera, and you can use this in your intro animation or other type of work or you want. So it is a type of virtual camera. You can manipulate your footage in any way you want. So this is very useful but powerful tool in After Effects. So moving on, our next tool, which is first of all, I have to import new footage, and after that you can see I'm closing this. And now our next tool is which is motion tracking. And I know most of you recognize the motion tracking because it appears in movies and TV serials and most of the things, some of the short films. So motion tracking is the most powerful tool in After Effects in my opinion, and you can use it any type of motion. So as you can see, just go to animation and you can see there are a bunch of different options in motion tracking: track camera, track in mocha, AE, bob stabilizer, VFX, and track motion. So we have to track the motion of this motion of this hand. So we will drag the point into I think it is too big. So we will drag the hand of this motion and will make it big. So we can track the camera, and as you can see, there is a new panel arrived which is of which name as tracker. You can track the camera, and it is giving me a warning 3D camera tracker. So I have to click on this 3D icon, and now I have track camera, and it is analyzing the shot. So as you can see, it is analyzing the shot, analyzing the background. So it takes some time to track camera of this motion, but you can do anything with this motion tracking. You can type text in air or walls of the background. So it is a very useful tool. So you can see bunch of tutorials on YouTube to learn motion tracking, or I will make it soon. So now that's it for all That's it for all the videos. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos just like this, so subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Aman and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.